Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best wireless trailer hitch cameras on Amazon. If you plan on towing your dirt bike to the track, taking your RV camping, or simply want to drop some trash at the dump, a wireless trailer hitch camera can be indispensable. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. AutoVox Wireless Backup Camera. If you're looking for a budget-friendly trailer hitch camera, the AutoVox CS2 unit is a good option. It's a great pick because it has an IP68 waterproof rating and can function in extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a great all-weather pick. This wireless backup camera has a PC0158 sensor that provides a strong signal with no interference. Great for parking, it features a 110-degree rear angle of view and has adjustable parking lines for more efficiency. The display uses a suction cup mounting system for the windshield dashboard, and the camera connects to the rear license plate. What we like about it: waterproof. Operates in extreme temperatures. Strong, clear signal. Can also be used as a front-facing camera. What we don't like about it: bulky. Requires a little bit of wiring. Number 2. Amtifo RV7 Wireless Backup Camera. The Amtifo Wireless HD Backup Camera has a 7-inch HD 1080p monitor for optimal viewing. You can switch the image orientation between rear view, mirror, and front view, facing. It has a built-in record function, loop recording, continuous recording, and optional parking lines that you can turn on and off. The camera's signal reaches up to 984 feet in open areas. It features a capacitive touch button sensor, and it's designed to connect with additional rear view, side view, and front view cameras should you decide to expand the field of view around your rig. The waterproof device has a large 150-degree viewing angle and the display. What we like about it: built-in record. Signal reaches nearly 1,000 feet. Optional parking lines. Waterproof. What we don't like about it: short antennas may cause connectivity issues. Not touchscreen. Number 3. HaloView 7 Wireless RV Backup Camera System. If you want a large display to help when parking a trailer or RV, the HaloView MC7108 Wireless RV Backup Camera System is a good pick. The LCD digital monitor is 7 inches wide, enabling you to have a good view of what's going on behind your rig. The HD 720p wireless backup system includes a built-in recorder and video playback. Other features include a 120-degree wide viewing angle and a wireless range of 984 feet. It includes a 10 to 32V input, split mode, auto scan mode, and normal, mirror, flip, and mirror flip viewing modes. The device is also IP69K waterproof with a 5.9G vibration rating and smart IR cut filter that makes images and colors very clear. Overall, it works well in day or night mode, it's relatively easy to install, and the field of view is good. What we like about it: large LCD display. Built-in recorder. Big wireless range. Several viewing modes. What we don't like about it: display can be bright and distracting at night. Video may lag at highway speeds. Number 4. UA Wi-Fi Magnetic Hitch Wireless Backup Rear Front View Camera. Another alternative for seeing what's behind you while towing a trailer is the UA Wi-Fi Magnetic Hitch Wireless Backup Rear Front View Camera. This device works with a smartphone. Simply download the app for iPhone or Android. It has a 100-foot range in an open area during the day, a 30-foot range at night, and it will function at highway speeds, unlike some other options on this list. The Wi-Fi camera is powered using a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which can be recharged with a USB cable. It features a strong magnetic mount, and no hardware is required for installation. In addition, it is IP68 waterproof rated. What we like about it: works with a smartphone. 30-foot range at night, 100-foot range during the day. Functions at highway speeds. Waterproof. What we don't like about it: does not record data. No memory function. Number 5. Xerox Club 9 Wireless Backup Camera System for RV Truck. The Xerox Club 9 Wireless Backup Camera System includes 4 cameras and is a premium pick for RV, truck, trailer, and camper users. Like other units on this list, it's easy to install but does require some wiring to either a running light, tail light, or reverse light for backup coverage. The 1080 resolution monitor has several views, single, dual, and quad, and is powered by a 12V auxiliary outlet. What we like about it: 4 cameras for front, rear, and side coverage. Built-in South Dakota card to record data. Waterproof. Provides good viewing at night. What we don't like about it: pricey. Some wiring required. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.